So hi friends, welcome to TP Chennai. So in this video we will discuss one SBI Clerical Prelims level mock question paper. So first 5 question is based upon the missing number series. So first one 29, 31, 37, 49, 69 question mark or blank. So we need to identify the pattern here, right? Series is not increasing that much. So here how much gap is there? Plus 2. Here how much gap is there? Plus 6. Here how much gap is there? Plus 12. Here how much gap is there? Plus 20. This is 1 square plus 1. This is 2 square plus 2. This is 3 square plus 3. This is 4 square plus 4. Next number will be 5 square plus 5. 5 square plus 5 is 25 plus 5, 30. 69 plus 30, 99. So my answer is fourth option. Next one 13, 13, 20, 37.5, 83 blank. So here decimal is there and even from 37.5 directly it went to 83. That means it follows multiplication logic. This is into 2 times plus something because 37.5 into 2 is 75 plus 8. Then this is into 120 and here 37.5 huge gap is there. So this is of course into 1.5. What is 30 into 1.5? 20 into 1.5. This is 20 plus 10. So this is 30 plus 7.5. Right? Into 2 into 1.5. This is into 1. 8. 7.5. 0.5 gap is there. Again here 7. Okay. This is into 0.5. So 30 into 0.5 is 6.5 plus 6.5. That means series is going in a correct manner. So here it will be how much? Into 2.5 plus 8.5. What is 83 into 2.5? So first multiply 83 into 2, 166. 83 into 0.5 is 41.5. So 166 plus 41.5 is 207.5 plus 8.5 is 216. Mind calculation. Next one, third one, 17, 16, 30, 87, 344 question mark. So here how much gap is there? This is or into 1 minus 1. Okay, this is into 2 minus 2. This is into 3 minus 3. This is into 4 minus 4. So this will be into 5 minus 5. 4 into 5, 0. 0 minus 5, answer ends with 5, which I have only one option. 1715. Then next one, 8, 9.4, 12.2, 17.8, 29 dash. Here how much gap is there? Plus 1.4. Here how much gap is there? Plus 2.8. Here how much gap is there? Plus 5.6. So difference is been getting double. This is how much? Plus 11.2. This is how much? Plus 22.4. 51.4 is my answer, which is first option. Then next one, 26, 12, 11, 15.5, 30 dash. So this is how much? Half minus 1 into 1 minus 1 into 1.5 minus 1 into 2 minus 1. Right? This is 31 minus 1. So this is into 2.5 minus 1. 32 into 2 is 60. 30 into 0.5 is 50. 60 plus 15 is 75 minus 1 is 74, which is second option. So I hope you clear with the first 5 number series. Now we will start with simplification. So sixth one, 54.2 plus 13.52 minus 0.52 minus 0.5656 minus 0.07 is equal to question mark. Right? There are many ways. One way is direct method, or else first add whole number. So 54 plus 13 is 67, and this 0.52 will be cancelled. This is minus 0.56 minus 0.07. This is minus 0.63, and here 0.2 extra is there. So 0.2 minus 0.63 is minus 0.43. 67 minus 0.43 is how much? 66.57, which is nothing but first option. Next one, square root of 1024 into 40 plus 448 is equal to question mark cube. This is 32 into 40 plus 448 is equal to question mark cube. This is how much? 1280 448. This is 1728 is equal to question mark cube. So question mark is how much? 12. My answer is first option. Eighth one, 24 into 16 by 15 plus 32.4 whole divided by question mark is equal to 4. So 3 5s are 3 8s are 16 by 5 is 5 3s are 3.2 into 8 is 25.6. 25.6 plus 32.4 is how much? This is 16 by 5, 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are, so this is 3.2 into 8. Yeah, 25.6. 25.6 plus 32.4 is how much? This is 58, right? 56. So or we will divide. This is 128 by 5 plus 32.5 by 4 is equal to question mark. So this is 5 25s are 125.6. This is how much? 58 by 4 is equal to question mark. Question mark is equal to 4 14s are 4 5s are 14.5 is my answer. So I hope you are clear with the previous simplification question. Now we will see remaining 3 simplification question. 255.4 plus 542.3 minus question mark is equal to 1014.3 minus 499.4. Right? So we can solve, or else we can go with option method here. So here 0.4, 0.3 is 0.7. This is 0.3. So 3 minus 4, 9. Right? So 7 minus 9, that means 2. So that means first option, second option, third option is ruled out. Your answer ends with 8. This is 7. This is 13 minus 4 is nothing but 9. Right? So 7 minus 9, 17 minus 9, answer ends with 8. That means first 3 option is ruled out. Now you are having fourth and fifth option which you have to check. So again 5 plus 2 7, 4 plus 9 13. Right? 5 plus 2 7 and 4 plus 9 13. 13 minus 7, right? Or 13 and but it will subtract. That means it will be 12 minus 7. That means last digit of the whole number ends with 2. I have only this option. Right? I have only this option. Then next one, 2 1 by 5 into 1 2 by 5 divided by 4 2 by 5 is equal to question mark. This is how much? 11 by 5 into, this is how much? 7 by 5. This is how much? 22 by 5. So 5 by 22 is equal to question mark. 5 5 gone. This is also gone. Question mark is equal to 7 by 10, which is first option. Next one, question mark square is equal to 40% of 5 by 11 of 352. So question mark square is equal to 40% is 2 by 5. This is 5 by 11. This is 352. 5 5 gone. 11 3s are 33. 2s are. So question mark square is equal to question mark is equal to 8, which is nothing but first option. So I hope you are clear with the previous simplification question. Now we will see next 4 simplification question here. So question mark square is equal to square root of 1444 plus square root of 676 whole divided by 4. So this is question mark square is equal to square root of 1444 is how much? 38. This is 26 into 1 by 4. This is 64 by 4 is equal to 60. So question mark is equal to 4, which is first option. Next one, question mark minus 0.5 divided by 0.2 is equal to 120 by 2. 120 by 2 is 60. 60 into 0.2 is 12. 12 plus 0.5 is nothing but how much? 12.5, which is second option. Next one, 60% of question mark minus square root of 324 is equal to 222. So 60% of question mark is equal to square root of 324 is 18, minus 18 will go there. 222 plus 18 is 240. 60% of which number is 240? 400, which is first option. Next one, 2 cube into 3 square divided by 90 divided by question mark is equal to square root of 64. This is 8 into 9 divided by 19 divided by question mark is equal to 8. 8 8 gone. 9 tens are, so question mark is equal to 10, which is first option. I hope you are clear with the previous simplification question. Now we will see next 5 quality equation. First one, 2x square minus x minus 10 is equal to 0. 2y square minus y minus 21 is equal to 0. So now when you see here, both the constant values are there and both are negative. So my answer directly is C and D. Right? Next one, x square plus 9x plus 14 is equal to 0. Y square plus y minus 2 is equal to 0. So this is nothing but how much? 7, 2, change the sign, minus 7, minus 2. This is how much? This is minus 2, this is 1. So 2 minus 1, change the sign, 2 minus 1. Right? Minus 2 and plus 1. So minus 7 minus 2 is y greater. Here y greater, here equal, here y greater. So my answer is x less than or equal to y. Next one, x minus square root of 120 is equal to 0, y square minus 120 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 11 and y is equal to 11 minus 11. Why 11 minus 11? Because whenever even power is there, you will be having two roots, one will be positive, one will be negative. So x and x equal, x and y, x is greater. So x greater than or equal to y. Next one, 7 by root x plus 5 by root x is equal to root x, y square minus 12 power 5 by 2 by root y is equal to 0. So this is base is same. So 12 by root x is equal to root x. Root x is x, x is equal to 12. Here if you multiply, this is y power 2. This is square root of y is y power 1 by 2 is equal to how much? 12 power 5 by 2. Y power 5 by 2 is equal to 12 power 5 by 2. Or y is equal to 12. Y is equal to 12. X is equal to, what is my answer? X is equal to y, or C and D. Then 3x square minus 20x minus 32 is equal to 0. 2y square minus 3y minus 20 is equal to 0. Again here when you see both the constant values are negative. When both the constant values are negative, what is my answer? C and D, or x is equal to y. This is my answer. So I hope you are clear with 5 number series, 10 simplification and 5 quadratic question. Now we will see one set of DI. So here what they have given you, there are a number of people who are all contributing towards helping tsunami victims, right? So you have different people from different cities are there. City P, City Q, City R, City S, City C, T and City U, and different values are given. First one, how many more people from city S would have made the ratio 11:9 of the number of people contributing from city S to city T? City S to city T, what is the value? City S is 35 and city T is 45. 5 9s are 5 7s are. But what is the ratio they have given you? 11:9. And they are saying how many more people from city S? Here how much more? 4. But before that, 9 part is same. 9 part is how much CTT they have given you? 4500. So 1 part is how much? 500. 4 part is how much? 2000. So what is my answer? 2000, which is nothing but second option. So I hope you are clear with the first question. Now we will see next one. The number of people contributing from city U and Q together is what percent of total number of people contributing from all the given cities together? U and Q, right? U and Q, what is the value? U is 2500 and Q is 5500. Total is how much? 8000. Is what percent of total number of people? 4. This is so 9 5, 14 5, 18, 22 5, 25,000 into 100. 00 gone, 00 gone, 25 3s are 75, 2s are. So what is my answer? 32, which is nothing but second option. So I hope you are clear with the previous question. Now we will see next one. The number of people contributing from how many cities form less than 18% of total number of people contributing from all the cities together? All the cities together, just now we have calculated, which is 25,000. So 18% of 25,000 percent, 00 is gone. This is 10. 25 into 18 is 50 into 9, which is 45. 450. So 4,500. Now from the table, just we have to see what are the cities where the values are less than 4,500. So 1, 2, 3. So my answer is first option, which is nothing but 3. So I hope you are clear with the previous question. Now we will see next one. Approximately by what percent is the number of people contributing from city S is more in comparison to city S? City T and city S. Right? City T, what is the value? 4,500. City S, what is the value? 3,500. 00 gone. 5 7s are, 5 9s are. Right? So T is how much more? 2 by 9 into 100. 1 by 9 is how much? 11.11. 2 by 9 is 22.22. So approximately what is my answer? Third option, which is 22. So I hope you are clear with the previous question. Now we will see last one of DI. What is the ratio of people contributing from city P to that from city R? So P to R. P, what is the value? 4,000. R, what is the value? 5,000. What is the answer? 4:5. So 4:5 is not there. So what is my answer? None of this. Fifth option. So I hope you're clear with that set of DI which we have seen. Now we will start with arithmetic. So first one, find the simple interest on an amount of rupees 6,535 at 10% per annum after 6 years. Per year is 10%, 6 years is 60%. So 60% of principal, which is 6535. What is 60% fraction value? 3 by 5. So 3 by 5 into 6535. 5 13s are 7s are. So this is 21, this is 39. 3921 is my answer, which is first option. Next one. If 89 whole square is added to a square of a number, the answer is 16,202. Find the number. So 89 square plus some number square is equal to 16202. What is 89 square? If you don't know, no need to worry. 89 is 11 less than 100, right? So subtract 11 from 89. It is how much? 78. 11 square is 121. So 121. So what is my answer? 7921 plus x square is equal to 16202. So x square is nothing but how much? This is 8281, and 8281 is nothing but how much? 91 square, which is second option. Next one, if A is 20% more than B, then B is what percent less than A? So 20%, what is fraction value? 1 by 5. So in percentage, one concept is there. If any value is increasing by 1 by n, it will decrease by 1 by n plus 1. So 1 by 5 is equal to 1 by n, so it will decrease by 1 by 6. And 1 by 6, what is percentage value? 16.66%, which is fourth option. So I hope you clear the previous question. Now we will see next one. If an amount of rupees 1,98,011 is distributed equally among 47%, how much amount would each get? 47%, they have given you 1,98,011. So each person will be how much? 1,980,11 divided by 47. Cancel this number. 4 times is 188. So this is how much? 0, 2 times 94, 611. So this is 1 time, 3 times. 4213 is my answer. Next one. Two numbers are respectively 20% and 50% more than a third number. Find what percentage is the first number of the second number. So I have 3 numbers A, B, C. Both the numbers they are comparing with third number. So third number I am assuming 100. So first number is 20 more, so 120. Second number is 50 more, so 150. So 120 divided by 150 into 100. 0, 0 gone. 3 4s are 3 5s are 3 4s are 5 2s are 40 into 2. What is my answer? 80%, which is first option. Next one. In how many years will a sum of money become double at 4% per annum? Simple interest. I have principal, I have amount. I am saying that my principal is 1 rupee. Now it has become how much? Double. That means amount is 2. Principal is 1, amount is 2. So SI will be how much? 1. Amount minus principal. So SI is P into R into T divided by 100. So T is nothing but 25 years. But whenever double is there, whatever number they have given you, so divide 100 by 4, which is 25. So my answer is first option, correct. So I hope you are clear with the previous question. Now we will see next one. An amount of rupees 8400 is divided among A, B, C in the ratio 1:2:4. The difference between the share of A and C. So A is to B is to C is what ratio they have given you? 1:2:4. So what is total part here? 7. 7 part how much they have given you? 8400. Now what they are asking? A difference between the share of A and C. A and C, how much difference is there? 3. So what is my answer? 3600, which is first option. Next one. A, B, C invested rupees 25,000, rupees 30,000, rupees 14,000 respectively for 1 year. At the end of the year, they got rupees 19,950 as profit. Find the share of A. So this is nothing but simple partnership because time period is same. Profit is equal to investment into time, but time period is same. So no need to write time period. So A, B, C. 25, 30, and 40. Because whenever time period is same, profit ratio is nothing but investment ratio. So this is how much? 5 5s are 5 6s are 5 8s are. Total how much part is there? 19. And how much they have given you? 19,950. What they are asking? Share of K, which is 5 part. 19 10s are 190, 5s are 5250, which is nothing but first option. So I hope you clear with the previous question. Now we will see last two question of this video. The average height of 20 student is calculated as 144 centimeter. Later on it is found that height of a student is taken as 154 centimeter instead of 145 centimeter. Find the correct average. Very important question when it comes to average. So here what they have given you, there are 20 students and average is 144 centimeter. But what they are saying, later on it is found that height of a student is taken as 154 instead of 145. So it was supposed to. So true weight is nothing but how much? 154 centimeter. But what they have taken, that means false weight, 145 centimeter. So always it will be true weight minus false weight. So 154 minus 145 is how much? Okay, so they have taken 154. So that means this is false weight. And true weight is nothing but 145, because 145 they were supposed to take. So always true weight minus false weight. So 145 minus 154 is minus 9. So 144 minus 9 divided by total number of students is 20. So 144 minus 0.45. 144 minus 0.45 is 143.55 centimeter, which is first option. Next one. Ram arrives at a bank 15 minutes earlier than scheduled time if he drives his car at 42 km per hour. He arrives 5 minutes late if he drives at 35 km per hour. Find the distance between his house and bank. Which part is constant here? Distance is constant here. Whenever distance is constant, speed and time ratio is inversely proportional. So speed is how much they have given you? Initially 42, now 35. So time is how much? 35, 42, 7 6 are 7 5 are. So time ratio is 5:6. Now they are saying that he arrives at bank 15 minutes earlier when he was traveling at 42 km per hour. But he arrives 5 minutes late if he drives at 35 km per hour. Time gap is how much? 15 minutes earlier and 5 minutes late. Late and early cases, whenever both are reversed, late and early both are reversed, what? You need to add those values. So 15 minutes plus 5 minutes is 20 minutes. Here how much gap is there? 1. One part is 20/60. Why 20/60? Because speed is in km per hour and time is in minutes. So you need to convert minute into hour. So by 60, which is 1/3. So time is nothing but how much? If I consider this one, 5/3. Distance is equal to speed into time. So I consider this time. So 5/3 into speed, 42. 70 kilometer is my answer, which is first option. So I hope you are clear with all 35 questions which we have seen in this video. I have solved DI, number series, quality equation and arithmetic along with simplification. Do comment about this video in the comment section and share this video in your Telegram, Instagram, Facebook and WhatsApp. And please subscribe TP Chennai YouTube channel for further updates and video. Thanks a lot. All the best.